We are the Aviation Institute of Maintenance, and we pride ourselves in providing practical, hands-on training to students all over the United States. But it all started in 1994, right here in Norfolk, Virginia. And now we are proud to announce the grand opening of our brand new Norfolk campus. Located just minutes from Norfolk International Airport, our new facility is over 100,000 square feet, including multiple aircraft hangars, tools, and real aircraft to train on. Check out our new campus at 2329 East Little Creek Road in Norfolk, Virginia. We're proud to be a part of the Hampton Roads community, and we hope to see you soon. Veterans, ask how you can graduate debt-free. At the Aviation Institute of Maintenance, we train tomorrow's technicians.